Today on the test we have Tesla Model S 100D, around 400 horsepower. It's great acceleration, up to 100 kilometers. It's around 4 seconds, something like that. On the front we have full LED lights, aerodynamic front, of course the Tesla badge, nice. Sideline, it's looking very nice, especially the roof line on the back, so it's great actually. 19-inch wheels, winter tires. Yeah, pop out your handles, so as you can see, and the back of the car looking very fine. LED backlights. I can show you the trunk. Huge space, good capacity. On the side we have this thing, yes, and of course electric closing. The range, real range which I'm doing now, it's around 450 kilometers for full, with a full battery, of course. 450 kilometers. So we're going in. The key of the car, yes, looking very nice. We have, typical for Tesla, we have driver display, a lot of information there. You can scroll here, and now it's about temperature, fan speed, display brightness, sunroof. You can, of course, you can open the sunroof electronically. So now it's rain, I will not do that. This Tesla steering wheel, and these things maybe from Mercedes, and 17-inch display, big display. So now we are driving the Tesla Model S 100D, around 400 horsepower. Great acceleration, I will show you now. Now I will do the acceleration up to the 90, something like that. So you can see now. Now two, 3 seconds and you're on the 100 kilometers per hour. I like that. It's around 400 horsepower. This car, it's the range for this model. I think the real range is around 450 kilometers. 100D Model S. In front of me I have this display, driver display, showing me the information. Of course, this car have autopilot, so, and I don't know what's happening now, but it's not good. So I will start the autopilot now. So this car have autopilot, so it can drive for me. Of course, the central display will have quick settings of the car, quick controls about exterior lights, fog lights, of course the sunroof you can open, everything going over the display. You can see the suspension of this car. Now it's on the standard. You can go on the high, lower, something like that. So the usual lights, driving mode, and we have two modes. It's chill mode and standard mode, but the steering mode is now on the sport. We have comfort and standard, and of course you can choose the regulation braking, and that's it. I must stop the autopilot because now we must cruise the 70. Yes, and the settings about autopilot and the vehicle settings and the display setting, the brightness and mode, day-night mode, the trips, showing the consumption, kilometers and other things, navigation system, and here of course, yeah, show me the consumption of this trip, and in the last 50 kilometers you can choose. We have the radio panel and other things, so you can choose here. The energy consumption is up. You have a calendar, you have web, you can go to the web. Of course you can activate the camera and the charging time, and when you're on the charging station, it's going very fast on the charging station. The heating seats is here, and the temperature, the fan speed. I will go up with it. Yes, Tesla, I want to make sure I'm here. And the front road, back road, so the music. Very great in this car. We have blue color, maybe my favorite color for this car. Acceleration is brutal, so on B100E it's around 2.6 seconds. So I'm here, and it's very fine for this car. Cruise control, of course. Now I will turn here to the right. The comfort level is it's good on the front seats. On the back seats, yes, but just a little bit, so the position of the sitting part, so it's angle, actually it's not very fine, but it's great car. The trunk capacity, it's great, a lot of storage, but the practicality of this car, it's not too great, because on the doors you don't have nothing to put it there, but you have big storage here. So as you can see, this one, and we have this one also, two, and of course here for there we have USB charger ports and something like that. Nice. And now we are finished with the driving of this car. Thanks for watching. Subscribe out of the DMTS channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you a lot. Have a nice day. Bye bye.